Millions of hens are reared in cages with little room to move and deprived of their natural exercise of foraging and running. Their nest area consists of a plastic sheet hanging down from the top of the cage to provide a more secluded area for egg laying. Hens often lose a large proportion of their feathers due to damage from the sides of the cage and pecking from other hens.
To prevent feather pecking, chicks often have part of their beaks cut off without any anaesthetic. Chicks never experience an adult role model to learn from, and most male chicks are killed immediately after hatching, some by the abhorrent practice of maceration.
Luxembourg has banned the use of enriched cages for laying hens, and Austria and Germany are phasing out enriched cages. We call for the UK to do the same.